Okay guys, I'm about to show you how to manipulate your stripes to achieve that chest or breast pocket design. So the first thing you do is to cut your straps material as seen. You cut the material into two pieces, but make sure that the material is in square form. First of all, mark out the wrong side of the fabric. So you place the two material together as seen. In order for you to be able to cut it in square form, you have to bend the material diagonally like this as seen. So this will enable you to cut it. This will enable you to cut the material in square shape. So when you cut it like this, each side will be equal. Okay, this is just an illustration on how to achieve that breast pocket design while manipulating the stripes. So you cut it like this, place it together. As you can see, each sides are equal. So the next step is for you to bend one side diagonally as seen. Then you split it as you can see. You can also iron it down first before cutting. So when you are done, you separate each pair. You pick it two. Separate this and that. Then you also cut one pair again into two, making it four, making it into 4 pieces. So you split here again diagonally as well. Then you cut the other pair as well. You fold it into 2 as seen. It's not a difficult design, you just have to follow this illustration for you to be able to achieve it. Oh sorry, let me place it disturbing me. Okay, let me arrange it back. Okay, alright, let me shift it backward. Okay, so you split this one as well. Okay, then the next thing now is you pick one pair from each side. Let's label this one A or label that one B. Pick each pair from both sides. Pick one pair from here. Then you place it together like this. Make sure the right side of the fabric is facing each other. Then you pick another pair again and place it like this, as you can see. So with this, if done correctly, as you can see, we're able to achieve that spider web, kind of spider web design. This is how you achieve the design. It's not difficult, it's not hard. Why it's not balanced? Because I didn't actually go into details properly, but if you iron properly and the right measurement, everything will align. So as you can see, we'll be able to achieve the design. Thanks for watching. Please do well to drop your outcome when you try it. Bye for now. So my next video I'm going to teach you guys on how to stitch it. But for now, this is how you achieve it. You have to join each pair together for you to achieve it properly. Thanks for watching.